Ndewo no. Igbo mụrụ Igbo ma ọzọ. Ekelekwa m no. Aha m bụ Chidimma ihe na-achọ. Abụ m Igbo nke dị na Nwangele Local Government, nke dị na Imo State, nke dị na Nigeria. In case you are wondering why I have a funny Igbo accent, it is because I was not born for this Igbo land. I was born outside, in the United States of America. I lived there my whole life until last year in 2019 when I decided to move to Nigeria. I came because I realized that I did not know the language and I did not like it. I did not know anything about the culture, anything about the people, anything about the traditions. I didn't even know how to do Igbo dance. I didn't know how to cook proper Igbo food. I have stayed in this Igbo land for 1 year now. And everybody will ask me, why am I coming in when everyone wants to escape? But as I have been here now, I have studied the land, I have studied the people, and I have seen so much beauty, so much strength, so much power, so much wisdom, so much richness that lies within this soil that many people have no clue about. The divine creator has created us to create. Ekere means creation. Ekere is a poem from the book UGOAMAKA by Onyeozi Kelvin Alisi. N'ihe niile mana nchịkọ echiche, ekere ọbụla kere ihe, lee uwe kere eke. Ọ dịghị ihe kere n'ime ya gbaa aka. Chukwu Igbo kere nwa Igbo maka igbo mkpa. Ike igbo mkpa dị n'ime gị. Kuru ume, gbaa nkịtị, obi gị ga-agwa gị eziokwu. Everything in this world, everything in existence, nothing is created empty. We, Igbo children, are created to solve problems, whether it's through making inventions, making arts, making music, making stories, making buildings, making dance, making food, making families. We are created for the purpose of solving problems. Biko, I need your help. I am a contestant for UGOAMAKA Challenge Season 1. UGOAMAKA is a book of Igbo poems by Onyeozi Kelvin Alisi, helping to promote Igbo culture. The winner of this challenge will be chosen as an ambassador for Igbo culture. I know I was not born for this land, but my blood is Igbo, and my spirit is Igbo, and my heart is Igbo. And my desire is to see nothing but progress for this Igbo land. Vote for me, and I can be a bridge between the African and American continents. I know we are all ready to see something different for this land. I have a different way of thinking and a different way of seeing things. I know I cannot do this alone. Gidi gidi bu ugweze. In unity, there is strength.